Hey guys, today the guys over at Chrome sent me a little accessory out to show y'all. They wanted me to give you a little heads up on it and see what you think. It's a kind of a simple little operation, but it might come in handy one day for you. It's they're butt caps, but they're butt caps for your little shorty stubby sockets. So you've got these specifically made wrenches for these where they slip down in there and then you get the pretty low profile operation. It's a nice little ratchet set. But if you don't want to plunk down the extra money for the ratchet and you've already got a wrench in 17 millimeter is what you need for most of them, I'm guessing they make them in all other different sizes too, because you got these 1/4 inch that ain't going to fit in there. And then you got a big 1/2 inch cap that's not going to fit in there. Put them over there so you can see the writing on the wall. But what you got here, if you go and use your regular old wrench, you don't have the retention wire in here like you would on this one right here. See, you got a built-in wire down there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's get it lit up a little better. But yeah, there it is right there. So if you're going to use a wrench with these and skip out paying the extra $30 for the ratchet, then you can slide that over and pop that on. And then you've got a little handy, ratcheting wrench right there. You can also use it for without a ratchet head, just a regular old box end wrench. It won't be near as handy without the ratchet, but you'll still be able to run it through, work it around. But this way, your stubby socket stays in. The other angle, we'll run it like that. Put it back in there. Maybe if I can keep it together. There you go. Now you got the outside angle going for you. So I thought that was pretty handy. I don't have the 1/2 inch or the 1/4 inch stubby socket to demonstrate for you, but I do have the 3/8 model here that runs on the 17, and I just thought that was a pretty handy little idea. They sent it out and wanted me to show it to y'all, so I'm showing it to you. I think it would work. It would be a handy little, like I say, if you don't want to, it's not that much more expensive, but it is a kind of a specialty tool. You only get one use out of it, which is this set of sockets. So, if you want to skip that and go with something you already got, that works too. So yeah, Chrome. Let's get the proper name for them there. It is the 3-piece impact socket adapter plug. Item number 20001, 20001. It's for a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. Made in Taiwan from Crom Tools. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that might give you a little idea if that's what you want to look at. And we'll check you on the next one. Peace.